Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ChatGPT for SEO outlines with Surfer integration, complete guide step by step clearly. To install ChatGPT for SEO outlines with Surfer integration, start by opening your web browser. Go to the OpenAI website and navigate to the ChatGPT section. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, access the API settings from your account dashboard. Copy your API key to use later in the integration process. Next, open another tab in your browser and go to the Surfer SEO website. Log into your Surfer account or create one if necessary. In Surfer, look for the API integration settings in the dashboard. Select the option to add a new integration and choose ChatGPT. Paste the API key you copied from your OpenAI account into the designated field. Save the integration settings to ensure the connection is established. Now, open the project in Surfer where you want to create SEO outlines. Navigate to the Content Planner or Keyword Research tool in Surfer. Choose the keywords or topics you want to focus on for your outlines. In the Content Editor, look for the option to initiate ChatGPT. Click on the Integration button to open the ChatGPT interface. Type in your prompt, specifying the structure and details you want for your SEO outline. Review the generated outline provided by ChatGPT. Make any necessary adjustments to fit your specific needs and goals. Once satisfied, you can start creating content based on this outline. Ensure that you regularly update your integration settings as needed for optimal performance. Now you are ready to use ChatGPT for enhancing your SEO outlines with Surfer integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.